So it's been a few weeks since I made the last video. It's been about 3 weeks. And I wanted to make this video just as an update or just where I'm heading, where I'm aiming with my business, my web design business. So the first things first is that I've joined, as I've said in the last video, the Digital Launchpad course, where I took the copywriting course. I didn't complete it fully because I just wanted to learn the basics of copywriting, email marketing, and just in general copywriting. Then I switched to Web Design Fast Track, which is taught by Sam Crawford, which I really like his course and just his personality. Really enjoy his videos. He really tells a lot of helpful things. I've also been on a community call with him where I asked him a question about how I should allocate my extra money because a web design business isn't that resource intensive. So the main thing he said was to pimp out my LinkedIn, Upwork, and people per hour. But the first thing I have to do is make my website. Well, it's almost finished. I still have one more project to fully complete. So I'll start with 3 projects on my website. This website will be mainly to reference when I do outreach. And that's another thing. I've started with email cold outreach, where I've targeted roofers in America and north of Canada. And I just did a circle around America. I've sent around 160 personalized emails. So I went on Google Maps, see who doesn't either have a website or that their website is outdated or not optimized properly, and then I'd change the copy to fit their brand, well, their company, and send it to them. And out of those 160, I've got 0 replies. And that took me about, I'd say, 5 days of outreach with the time I had spare, besides learning, reading, and just doing other things that I need to for this business. So then he recommended going over LinkedIn, having a proper LinkedIn profile, Upwork profile, and people per hour. So you take a freelance approach where you look for people who are searching for web designers, and you contact them. You at the beginning you really do really low prices to get that advantage. The beginner's advantage is that you charge a lot less than other people. So the point is to get the referrals and the ratings on those websites to boost your show rate, or when someone is searching for a web designer, you show up faster than others. And that's what I'm doing right now. So my website, so here is the website that I've made. I have the first page with some main things, with a Calendly code embed that that can allow people to set meetings on their own with my calendar. Project page, here are my 3 projects. So these 2 are finished, and I still have to finish the last one. So like I said, I have 3, and the main thing is to just show what my work looks like and to spark people's interest in it. So you can scroll the first page by yourself, and just a call to action where the contact form is just repeated. And of course I still have to make the about page because I still don't have a proper photograph of myself. So that was my website with which I'm planning to, as I said, for when I outreach to people, and I can reference it so people can see it. The next thing, it's currently 11th of November. Still haven't got a client. Still haven't gotten paid for anything. So still at $0, euros, anything, just shekels, zero. And my main goal is just to make a single dollar by the end of November. That's my main goal. So, and then to start just each month stacking my income and being able to leave my job. And that's another thing. I've signed a contract. I don't know how you say it properly in English. So I've gotten hired where I did my internship. I got a really low pay, lower pay than I was expecting. I'm basically working for a minimum wage as a software engineer with a diploma, but it's my first job, so okay, I understand that it's a little lower, and the upside is I can leave it faster. I just have to make about consistently 1,500, 1,300 per month to be above what I'm currently earning, so then I can fully focus on my web design business. So that's, I guess, a plus thing. And of course, I don't have a lot of bills and just a lot of expenses because I still live with my parents. The only thing I have to pay is my car and nothing else right now. And I'm currently saving for a car because I need to buy a new car by March next year. So because then I have my registration and just other things with the current car I have, and my current car is a bit old. It's 20 years. I know it's not a lot, but it's leaking oil. The AC doesn't work, so in summer times I have to drive with my windows down, which not ideal when you're going 130 kilometers on the highway. But I survived, not that bad, but yeah. So, and just I need a bit more reliable car right now. When I'm still driving about 70 kilometers per day, so about a 40-minute commute to my job and 40 back home. So I do quite a lot of kilometers per month. I'd say about 2,000 at least. And yeah, I just need a little bit more reliable car, which is more efficient. So I got less bills to pay, so I can save up faster, because my goal is to save about 10k to 12k and have a steady income of about 1,300, 1,500 to leave my job. So if I still don't get any clients for a year, I can still survive. I don't have to find a new job and can dedicate all of my time to running my business. So yeah, that's mostly it for this video. I just wanted to talk about what I'm doing, what has happened in the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks-ish. And yeah, need to finish the Webflow course by Sam Crawford. I hope I said that right. And then my main goal is just to focus on the business. So one thing that I've stopped doing is reading. This week I haven't read a single page. Well, on Monday I've read 10 pages of Caesar, the book I bought, but I figured that instead of reading for 1 hour, my time is better used on growing my business, because that's the main focus of everything I'm doing right now, to grow my business, to get that freedom, that where I don't have to be at my job, which I'm at right now. So I have time freedom, location freedom, and just over time to grow my income. So the first thing I want is time freedom and location freedom. So I'm not not reliant on other people, and not forced to use about 9 to 10 hours of my day just to work for someone else for minimum wage. And I can live my life a bit better, which I could right now, but I have priorities which I want to commit to, because like I've said in the past videos, it doesn't bother me that I work for about 14 to 16 hours per day, depends on the day and what I've done through the day, because I have a goal, and I know that goal is really important to me, and when I reach that goal, I know that everything that everything that I've sacrificed was worth it, and my quality of life improves drastically, and I can help people around me, and just for me and my girlfriend to have a better life and enjoy it a bit more. That's my main goal for right now. So yeah, I've stopped reading. I will pick up reading again when I think that 1 hour won't hurt me as much as right now, because I really want to do this right now. I'm not forced to, I just really want to, so I don't feel that I'm wasting my time if I'm not reading. And that's mostly it for this video. I'll try to do more videos more consistently, but this is the main thing I wanted to talk about this video. And yeah, thank you.